the $32 billion crypto empire that collapsed overnight. In November 2022, one of the largest cryptocurrency companies in the world collapsed in less than a week. Billions of dollars disappeared. Millions of customers were affected. And the man at the center of it all went from crypto billionaire to one of the most controversial figures in finance. This is the story of FTX, a company once valued at $32 billion. A company that seemed unstoppable until everything came crashing down. To understand how this happened, we need to start with a young man named Sam Bankman-Fried. Most people knew him simply as SBF. Unlike most billionaires, Sam didn't look like a business superstar. He often appeared in public wearing shorts, a t-shirt, and messy hair. But behind that casual appearance was a highly ambitious entrepreneur. Before entering the crypto industry, Sam worked at a trading firm called Jane Street. There, he learned about financial markets, trading, and risk management. As cryptocurrency began gaining popularity, Sam saw an opportunity. In 2017, he founded a trading company called Alameda Research. The company focused on cryptocurrency trading and quickly became one of the largest firms in the industry. But Sam wanted something bigger. He wanted to build an empire. So in 2019, he launched FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange where people could buy and sell digital assets. At first, FTX looked like just another crypto platform, but it quickly stood out from competitors. The platform attracted traders from around the world. New features were introduced, the user base grew rapidly, and investors started paying attention. Money poured into the company. Major venture capital firms rushed to invest. The valuation kept climbing. $1 billion, $5 billion, $10 billion, $20 billion, then $32 billion. FTX became one of the most valuable startups in the world, and Sam Bankman-Fried became one of the richest people in crypto. As the company grew, Sam became a celebrity. He appeared on television, spoke at major conferences, and gave interviews to leading media organizations. Many people saw him as the future of finance. Some even compared him to legendary business leaders. FTX spent enormous amounts of money on marketing. The company partnered with celebrities, sponsored major sporting events, and placed its brand almost everywhere. One famous sports arena even carried the FTX name. To the outside world, everything looked perfect. But behind the scenes, serious risks were building. And most people had no idea. At the center of those concerns was the relationship between FTX and Alameda Research. Remember, Sam controlled both companies. FTX was supposed to be an exchange. Alameda was supposed to be a trading firm. Most investors assumed they operated independently. But according to later reports, the relationship was far more complicated. For years, few people questioned it. The crypto market was booming. Prices were rising. Investors were making money. And success often hides problems. But eventually, cracks started to appear. The broader cryptocurrency market began slowing down. Prices fell, confidence weakened, and pressure increased across the entire industry. Suddenly, investors started asking difficult questions. What was happening behind the scenes? How strong was FTX financially? And could the company survive a major market downturn? Then came the moment that changed everything. In late 2022, reports emerged raising concerns about Alameda Research's finances. The information suggested that a significant portion of Alameda's assets depended on tokens connected to FTX. This alarmed investors. If those assets lost value, the entire system could be at risk. Confidence started disappearing. And in finance, confidence is everything. Once trust is lost, panic can spread quickly. That's exactly what happened. Customers rushed to withdraw their funds. Billions of dollars started leaving the platform. What followed resembled a digital bank run. The situation moved at incredible speed. Every hour seemed to bring more bad news. Investors became nervous. Partners stepped back, and the crypto industry watched in shock. FTX suddenly faced a crisis it could not control. The company struggled to meet withdrawal requests. Questions multiplied, rumors spread, and confidence continued collapsing. Attempts were made to save the business. Potential rescue deals were discussed, but the damage had already been done. The numbers simply didn't work. The situation had become too serious. Then came the announcement that shocked the world. FTX filed for bankruptcy. Just days earlier, the company had been valued at $32 billion. Now it was collapsing. Millions of customers were affected. Investors lost enormous amounts of money. And one of the most powerful companies in crypto was finished. The collapse immediately triggered investigations. Regulators wanted answers. Authorities launched inquiries. Questions were raised about how customer funds had been handled. Media organizations around the world covered the story. The businessman who had once appeared on magazine covers was now facing intense scrutiny. The image of a financial genius disappeared almost overnight. The crypto king had fallen, and the collapse became one of the biggest scandals in modern financial history. The story of FTX teaches several important lessons. First, rapid growth does not guarantee stability. Second, transparency matters. And third, even billion-dollar companies can collapse when confidence disappears. In finance, trust is often more valuable than money itself. And once trust is broken, rebuilding it becomes incredibly difficult. Today, FTX is remembered as one of the most dramatic business failures ever recorded. A company valued at $32 billion, a founder celebrated as a genius, millions of customers, global recognition, and yet within a matter of days, everything came crashing down. So what do you think? Was FTX simply a company that grew too fast? Or was it one of the biggest financial scandals of the modern era? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy stories about billion-dollar companies, startup failures, business scandals, and the rise and fall of famous entrepreneurs, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.